Anita here. I have an Ask the Data Doc question for you. If data and AI transformation is really about people, not just technology, why do so many organizations still invest in the shiny new tools, but skip the harder work of data literacy, of culture, and behavioral change? In my experience, we have a decision-making and an adoption problem. That's where progress can feel painfully slow. So, if you could write one data doc prescription that every executive team had to follow to finally accelerate real data and AI value, what would it be and why? Thanks, Tom. I always appreciate your perspective.
Thanks for this, Anita. You've really crystallized the issue, haven't you? Well done. My prescription for senior leaders and senior leadership teams to accelerate value from AI is to get everyone involved. All meaningful transformations require that as many people in the organization be on board with the transformation. There are so many ways for people to contribute, from redesigning processes to sorting out sources of errors that hinder AI models, to learning how to write better prompts, and on and on. Now, I don't want to make this seem easier than it is. Getting everyone involved is going to require senior leaders and teams to make some very, very hard changes. First of all, you got to quit treating data like a second-class citizen, like an afterthought, coming up at the tail end of a project. It needs to be front and center. Second, you're going to have to remove some organizational barriers that prevent people from working together. And third, massive training. Training unlike anything that you've invested in before, deep and personal training. I don't see any other way. So that's the prescription. What do you think, Anita? Good one?